Welcome once again to Section B, Kcse 2024, Paper 2. We are told question 18 that a quantity P, this variation, is partly constant and partly varies as the square root of Q. So let us first form the equation. P is equals to, I'm going to introduce a constant A because it's partly constant, and partly another constant, partly constant as the square root of Q. So you're told, given that P is 20, so we'll have 20 is equals to A, Q is 4. So we'll have A plus B, the square root of 4. Then P is 60 is equals to A when Q is 100. So B square root of 100. So if I write that equation well, again, I'll say 60 is equals to A plus, this is equal to 10B. Then on top we have 20 is equals to A plus 2B because the square root of 4 is 2. Then from here, because it's a simultaneous equation, we are going to subtract A and A goes. So here we have 40 is equals to 8B divided by B divided by 8 divided by 8 on both sides. Therefore, the value of B was 5. Then we proceed. You can replace here any equation. So let us use maybe 60. So we are going to say 60 is equals to A plus 10B, which is 10, 5. So we have 60 is equals to A plus 50. Bring this on the other side so that we have 60 minus 50 is equals to A, and the value of A, it is 10. So the equation connecting these three variables will be, you go back here, P is equals to A, which is a constant 10, plus B, another constant, which is 5, the square root of Q. Now you're told to find the value of Q when P is 22. So we'll say that 22 is equals to 10 plus 5 times the square root of Q. So if I collect the like terms, we'll have 22 minus 10 is equals to 5 times Q. So this will give me 12 is equals to 5 times the square root of Q. So I divide both sides by 5, divided by 5. Therefore, 2.4 is equals to the square root of Q. So you are going to square both sides so that Q is equals to the square of 2.4, which will give me Q as 5.76. That is how we are supposed to do that to get 4 marks. Then part B. So this is partial variation. Then look at part B. Three quantities T, U, and V are such that these are the different formation of variation. So it is a direct variation and also an inverse direction. We call it the joint variation. So T varies directly as the square of 10 minus U. So as the square 10 minus U, and inversely as the cube root of V. So T, so let us form the equation, is equals to, you introduce a constant K, 10 minus U squared over the cube root of V. So we will have T is 12, so 12 is equals to U is 4. So it will be K into U is 4, 10 minus 4 squared over V is 8. So the cube root of 8. So that is 12 is equals to K. Then here I will have 6 times squared, that is 36, divided by the cube root of 8, it is 2. So 12 is equals to K, 18, divided by 18, divided by 18 on both sides, so that we have the value of constant K is equals to 2 over 3, 2/3. So we are told to determine the equation connecting the three variables, this t, u, and q. So the equation, it will be t is equals to k, it is 2 over 3, into 10 minus u squared over the cube root of v. That is how the equation is supposed to be. Then you are asked to find the value of u. Remember, now you have the equation t is equals to 2 over 3 into 10 minus u over the cube root of v. Now here also you can just say this one can be marked as right, or you can say 2 into 10 minus u squared. If you just have time to simplify, times the cube root of v still is correct. So find the value of u when t is 5, 2 over 5, v is 5, 5 over 8. So making u the subject of the formula. So t, it is 5, 2 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3 into 10 minus u, which we don't have, over the cube root. The cube root of v, and v we have 15, 5 over 8. So we are going to cross multiply like just over 1. So if you cross multiply here, this times that, to make it more simpler, you will have 13, 1 over 2, because the cube root of this, it is 2. So you can replace this equation here with the 2, 1 over 2, because it's the cube root. So we have 13 now is equals to 2 over 3 into 10 minus u squared. Divide both sides by 2 over 3 by 2 over 3, so that we have 20, 1 over 4 is equals to 10 minus u squared. So to remove the square, we are going to find the square root on both sides. And you find the square root, you know the answer should be a positive or a negative. Therefore, we are going to have a positive or a negative. 4.5 is equals to 10 minus u. So to get the value of u, we are supposed to having two values of u. Still no problem if you have one value. So if u becomes this side, this one will go the other side. So we have 10 plus or minus 4.5. Therefore, the possible values of u, the first one was supposed to be 5.5, because 10 minus 4.5 is 5.5. Or still correct if you write 10 plus, so we'll have 14.5. Or some people can write 5.5, or you can write 14.5. So these ones were the possible answers, and most of the students can leave it here, still no problem. So that is how that question was supposed to be tackled under variation. The whole topic of formula and variation was tackled under this Kcse. Thank you very much. If you have any question, write it down in the comment sections. Don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel for the latest update. Thank you very much.